Hi everyone, my name is Filip Ekberg, and welcome to my C# Design Patterns course covering the command pattern. I'm a principal consultant and CEO at a consultant agency operating out of Gothenburg in Sweden. I started the company a few years ago and focus on building fast, powerful, and easy to maintain solutions. This course is for those of you that want to learn how the command pattern works and how to implement that in your C# applications. We will cover everything that you need to know to master this pattern. This includes what the command pattern is and its characteristics, understanding the benefits and trade-offs when using the command pattern, how to implement the command pattern in new and existing solutions, as well as identifying and leveraging existing implementations. By the end of the course, you'll feel comfortable with implementing the command pattern in your applications. This will allow you to build reliable, more extensible, and testable applications. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the C# syntax and how to build and run .NET applications. No other prior knowledge is necessary. So I really hope you'll join me on this journey to learn all about working with this very powerful design pattern with the Command Patterns course at Pluralsight.